In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create vertical menus in Wix, an essential aspect of website design which aids in structuring your page and enhancing user navigation. First and foremost, let's discuss where we initiate this process. In your Wix editor, you will find a section labeled Add Elements. It is situated on the left side panel of the interface. Position your cursor over this button and give it a click. A new window should pop up here, bustling with various elements you can utilize in personalizing your website. You will want to look for an option labeled Menu and Anchor. Clicking this will reveal a variety of menu styles for you to select from. For the purpose of this guide, you will want to pay special attention to the vertical menus grouping. Have a browse through the provided styles, and once you find one that tickles your fancy, you can either click it or drag it directly onto your site. Having added the menu, your next task is to customize it to your liking. Begin by clicking on the newly inserted menu. Look for an icon resembling a paintbrush or a palette, labeled as Design. Here, you are presented with numerous options for customizing the appearance of your menu. These range from changing the font, altering its size or color, and even switching up the menu's background colors. Next, you will want to adjust the layout of your menu to ensure it fits seamlessly with the rest of your website's design. By clicking on the menu and selecting the layout icon, you can modify how items that don't fit will be displayed. You have the choice between a wrapped layout or a scroll layout. You can also adjust the spacing between menu items, both horizontally and vertically, using sliders. Furthermore, you can refine the alignment of your text to the left, the right, or even center it. These minor adjustments allow you to have full control over the aesthetic of your menu, and ultimately, your website. The final stage in customizing your vertical menu involves managing the menu items themselves. Once again, by clicking on the menu and selecting the Manage Menu button, you open the Site Menus panel. In this section, you have the freedom to add new pages, delete existing ones, or change the order in which they appear on the menu. If you wish to delve into more advanced customization options, look for the Set as Advanced option under the settings of the menu. Activating this provides a whole new array of complex and professional fine-tuning options to play around with. Remember, your menu functions as a roadmap for your site, guiding your visitors on their journey across your pages. Make sure it is not only visually appealing, but also practical and straightforward. Happy designing with Wix!